Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best magnetic drill press that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hougen magnetic drill. There are additional features paired with high capacity and unbeatable quality that make this mag drill press from Hougen our top pick. Its pilot light is handy to work in poorly lit places or work more accurately in broad daylight. Besides, changing bits is also time-saving due to the slot drive arbor. For added safety, lift detector functionality is added in this machine. The two-stage magnet is proven to be long-lasting because those turn on only when the motor is fired up. You can pierce up a 2-inch steel to 1 to 1/2 inch hole with this, making it perfect for demanding applications. The thing I liked most about this drill press is, it's lightweight just like the Milwaukee one, but costs almost 1/3. The only drawback is, it does not have any speed settings to control its high rotation. Moving on at number 4, we have the high-end electromagnetic drill press kit. The best thing about this drill press is, it delivers the performance of a heavy and durable magnetic drill press but weighs less. It is highly portable, suitable to carry from job to job and comes with simple functionality for ease of use. It comes with a mechanism so that you can place the feed handle on any of the sides according to your convenience. Besides, its control panel has only 2 buttons to make operation a breeze. In this mag drill press, the magnet is 2 coil type and able to create high force, so that it can fit in heavy-duty jobs. Besides, it has a slit to keep the cutter wrench close by in times of necessities. Its high price hinders many users from buying it, but it is an amazing drill press for professional level applications and super easy for even beginners. At number 3, we have the durable magnetic drill press. This model of magnetic drill press from DEWALT is made for heavy-duty applications and can resist overuse. Like all other DEWALT power tools, this drill press is also equipped with an overload-protected motor to save the tools from overheating, overloading and abusive environment. You will get the benefit of 2 speed settings in this press. A tool-less chuck change is another added benefit. But the chuck is somewhat wobbling, less durable. Most of the users have complained about the poor making of the chuck. Most probably you have to replace it with a new one once it gives out. However, this device is protected by a long warranty. Its price is reasonable to me, considering its durability and performance. At number 2, we have the light application magnetic drill. This one is equipped with a powerful motor that creates high rotation. It is good to use for occasional projects and DIY tasks. The matters it makes less suitable for professional jobs are its lacking quality and noise. With this drill press you can make holes from 7/16 to 1-1/2 size on steel sheets up to 2 thickness. This package comes with a lot of necessary accessories including a chuck, that is somewhat useless. The attached direct arbor Weldon type shank is enough to do all the job. If you are looking for a drill where you can work with your 1-inch bits, then this is not your deal. Because, the gap between the chuck and the magnetic base will fit bits only up to 7/16 size. However, this powerhouse is available at an affordable price and is highly recommended by its users. And finally at number 1, we have the magnetic drilling with best coolant system. Evolution Tools is a renowned name in the field of power tools for their industrial-grade inventions and making those available as a budget price. This EvoMag drill press is no different. They recommend this machine to use in building metal frames for bridges and buildings for durable and accurate results. This drill press comes with a single speed, but the rotation is quite high for using on a tough metal. It would be thoughtful if there were torque settings as well to pierce hard metals with low rotation and high torque, for a better application. The coolant system is integrated in this machine. It is good that you won't have to deal with it. The price point is fair and this machine is backed by a long warranty for hassle-free usage for years to come. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.